In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund my Pepperstone account. We'll walk through the process from logging in to seeing the money arrive in your trading platform, keeping everything simple and secure. Start by signing in to the Pepperstone Secure Client area using your credentials to open your dashboard. This is the central place where you manage every deposit and withdrawal, so make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure before proceeding. Next, navigate to the Funds section and choose Add Funds, sometimes labeled Deposit. This opens a panel showing all payment methods available to you based on your region and account settings. Pick the deposit method that suits you best. Common options include a debit or credit card such as Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, Skrill or Neteller, a standard bank transfer, Apple Pay or Google Pay, and in many countries, local alternatives. Most methods are fee-free and process instantly, but availability and timing can vary by country and currency, so check the notes displayed for your account before you continue. Now enter your deposit details. Select the specific trading account you want to fund, MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, type in the amount, and confirm the payment details exactly as they appear with your provider. For most methods, the minimum deposit is about $10, though local limits and currencies can differ. Complete the payment by following the prompts from your provider. You may be asked for a one-time passcode, card approval, or wallet confirmation. Submit the transaction and wait for the confirmation message. Cards, PayPal, and popular e-wallets usually credit your account instantly, while bank transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and region. To verify that the funds have arrived, open your trading platform, MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, and check your balance. If it doesn't refresh immediately, reconnect to your account or restart the platform. As soon as the balance updates, you're ready to trade. A few important rules to keep in mind. Always deposit from an account in your own name. Third-party payments aren't permitted. Your profile must be fully verified with KYC before funding or withdrawing. And select the correct account currency, like USD or EUR, to avoid conversion fees that eat into your deposit. If a transfer takes longer than expected, reach out to support with your transaction reference so they can trace it. That's it. You've funded your Pepperstone account and you're good to go.